Alright guys, well now we're going to test some Ecuadorian ammo. I think it's made, 1954. Yep, 1954 production Ecuadorian 8mm Mauser surplus ammo. 196 grain. Save my stripper clips. Alright, here we go. Actually, I'm not going to lie, that Ecuadorian stuff feels like it's got more recoil than the Turkish stuff. You know, it's funny, I'm a Lee Enfield guy, but I never thought I'd like a Mauser so much. I've had 3 Lee Enfields and they're gone. Oh, I caught that one. One more. Well guys, that's my Mauser. Now, for you purists out there, if you know what a Czechoslovakian Mauser looks like, you know that it has a winter trigger guard. Well, I put the normal one on it because that's what I like. And I put the VZ24 sight protector on it because that's also what I like. So it's kind of my own little personal Mauser, if you want to call it. But I've done this with original parts, okay? It's not like these are aftermarket or anything. So, yeah, thanks for watching. We'll probably have a few more ammo tests on the way.